I just did a cleaning video. I know. It's another one. The room's dirty again. Anyways, we're gonna actually be doing my basement today. We're gonna be spring cleaning everything. Doing everything that I really don't want to do. I have a really long to-do list. I haven't made it yet. We'll make it together. I just want to do it. We're gonna do our best though. Fun things today, so yeah.
Now I literally have to somehow take my ring light downstairs with me.
I got it. So, I want to clean out my basement. So, with the basement, there's actually like a handful, I feel like, of things I need down there. Starters, go through boxes. That's gonna take a long time. I need to donate, reorganize, rearrange. So a lot. Well, this is my basement. Yeah, it's a shit show. It looks really bad down here. I'm aware of that. So let's try and fix that. We can try and do something about it. So that's my basement. I've got 2 bags here, one for trash, one for donations that I will definitely be filling up like within the next like 10-15 minutes. So let's just, let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna time-lapse it because there's so much to do. But if you wanna grab a drink, get cozy, settle in, start cleaning yourself, let's join me, we don't have to do this alone. I hate it down here.
I'd kind of thought about going ahead and filming this regularly and talking during it, but I'm not gonna lie, it probably would have been like a 3-hour video. So it's just gonna be time-lapsed. I'll put some cute music in it, and I think it's coming up here. Oh, not yet. Oh, here she goes. Oh, she's doing it. Oh, there she goes.
And just as I suspected, it's been like 15 minutes, and I've got a full box of her back already. We'll be going through a lot of trash bags today. But honestly, I feel like I've done so much already. It looks like I've done nothing, but I feel like I've gone through like a handful of bags. I've gone through a couple boxes already. I've made like a little walking path. Honestly, it's getting done, all right? It's gonna look really good in here. I just got my first donation bag that I'm gonna bring up now and grab a new one. Well, I got first bag of trash here. I just can't seem to fucking get it to flow. First bag of trash. Update. This is what we're looking like. Honestly, it's not bad. I'm working my way that way. I think I've cleaned up a good amount of space so far. Just went and got myself a little smoothie from the fridge. This is so good. I'd never had this one before. I've been getting into drinking these because they've been Buy one, get one $1 at Meijer. Highly recommend, absolute love. This thing is yummy. But anyways, besides that, I feel like this is like super uneven. I don't know. Anyways, besides that, we're gonna start tackling this area over here. And I'm not gonna lie, that's where like all the spiders live. Like right up there in that window. I'll walk you a little closer. I don't want to get too much in their area, but that's where all the spiders live. So today, me and the spiders, we're gonna be like this. And I'm just gonna keep telling myself that the spiders and I are like this. Because they'll freak me out and I'll get spooked and I'll not want to be down here. So, besides that, honestly, this is like the most I've been able to walk down here since we moved here. Oh, I forgot to even address the reason that it's like so muddy and like gross on the walls. Like if I lower it, I think you can kind of see it down there. Can you see that? Like right down how it's like dirty. There you go. Yeah, how it's like dirty and stuff. The mud, it flooded. So literally like days before we were supposed to move in, the whole complex flooded. The basements did. And it flooded up pretty high actually. You can see really well right over here. Like it flooded bad. And here's the thing, they told us that they would be fixing it, but it would be a few weeks. And I just started moving in immediately and we needed somewhere to put our shit. So we just kind of threw some of our stuff down here. And we thought that they would like ask us to move it or something when they were here doing it, but no, nobody ever said anything. I think other people's got theirs fixed, but ours never did. They dried it, but they never repainted it or anything, but that's fine. Really, honestly, clearly it's not like we use this space, so.
I guess I was really just in my dancing time while I was filming this little segment. I will say I wasn't gonna do a voiceover, but there's a funny part I think coming up. You'll know. You'll know. You'll see it. You'll know. Oh, like, what is she doing? Why was she just standing around like that? Oh, the way those boxes grow.
When I say to y'all, this shit makes me so thirsty. But I'm like inching my way through box by box. Finally, you know, it's almost like I moved in here like 8 months ago. Yeah, like all of this stuff is donations.
I feel like I've almost reached my limit of how long I can be down here too.
I'm proud of myself and I'm proud of myself. I just gotta keep fighting, keep going.
And well, there she goes again. You know, I told you guys.
So if you watched my last video, you know that I thrifted Kardashian collection jacket. And I washed it like the dumbass that I am, and it got completely torn up. Yeah, it's been through it now. I think I'm gonna have to toss it. Fucking hell. But look how much like progress I made over here. Ugh. I can just Look at that. Look at that. It's so clean now. It's so clean. Anyways, I might be almost done for what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna try and sort a few more boxes and organize a little bit more, but for down here, I am so proud. Hear me out. I think I'm basemented out. It's almost 11. I've been out for like 2 hours now. Maybe like an hour and a half. But you know what? It looks really good. It looks really good. I think I could probably finish it some more another time. I think this is like as much as I can do for being down here right now. Here's the end result. Yeah, I clearly didn't do much over there, but look at this. And I got stuff like put in there now. That was like miscellaneous, extra boxes. I'm gonna make my boyfriend take care of that. All of the Christmas stuff. Bringing that upstairs, bringing that upstairs. It's Valentine's Day stuff. And I've got these 2 bins now. I don't know what to do with. So, yay! I can't forget to film an outro, so hey, bye. I don't know what my next video will be. I'm kind of losing hope and love for posting. A little tiny bit. It's not as fun as it was when people interact and actually watch, but thinking maybe I'll do part 2 of why I dropped out. I don't know.